Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to explain why a lot of students feel GPA difficult and what is the reason behind it and what we can do to not feel GPA difficult. So everything I am going to explain in this particular video. So why we feel difficult in this age? So because why we feel GPA difficult means because of our age, because of doing some activities, like these are some activities we feel very difficult to do and these are the activities we are not feel any difficult to do. So what are those activities we feel difficult to do and what are those activities which we feel easy to do? So difficult things, studying every day is difficult for us because this is the age we feel we want enjoyment, but studying every day is a difficult thing, but enjoying movies is very easy thing. So and consistently doing work is also difficult thing in this age, and enjoying social media is very easy today, and getting class topper is very difficult for us, but failing in the exam is very easy. That means if you want to fail the exam, there is not to do anything, just you go to the exam and you just sleep that, so you can easily fail it. So that means what are the things that are you feel difficult, because that will are all are having some effect in your life. So studying every day, if you study every day you will get very good job, but because of study we feel difficult every day. But enjoying movies we feel very easy, but enjoying movies very easy, but these movies will not make you to your life fruitful or beautiful. And spending high time on education is difficult, spending much time on time pass is easy. So learning the new things is difficult for us and not learning is easy. So that means if you are not learning anything is also easy, but learning the new things is very difficult for us. Climbing Everest is difficult or seeing Everest image is easy. So like that means that doing the things which are very useful for your life is something difficult. That means this is GPAT also you may feel difficult because this is very helpful. And another thing I given one quotation here, doing work is difficult, saying words is easy. So that means why we feel difficult means these are the things we may feel difficult. So all these things, if you want to crack GPAT you need all the things you need to do. That is the reason a lot of students feel GPAT is difficult, but these things we don't need to do anything. So enjoying movies, we just open your phone, you can easily enjoy, and enjoying social media we not do anything. And failing the exam is very easy because if you go to the exam and if you can sleep automatically you fail. And spending much time on time pass also easy, but not learning is easy. So that means you are not learning anything is also easy, but learning something is very difficult. So in case of GPAT you need to incorporate all this qualification in you. That is the reason a lot of students say GPAT is difficult. But one thing here, that anything that is worth in your life is difficult to achieve. So that means if you want to get some job you need to work until you get 22 years. That means at the 6 years age you start your study. So that 6 years age study and until you get 22 years only you get the job. That means anything that is worth in your life that is difficult to achieve. That means if you are getting job means you get salary leads to the happy living. So in order to get that salary you need to work up to your age of 6 to 22, then only you will get the salary. That means anything that is worth in your life is difficult to achieve. So same GPAT also, because if you qualify GPAT you get 2,97,000 and remaining 2 lakh, more than 2,97,000 in 1 word to say 3 lakh rupees stipend in 2 years. That means it's also very worthy in nature. So that is it is also somewhat difficult to achieve. At the same time, if you are a student you have this type of category, studying every day, consistency, doing work, all these qualifications in you, it is very easy for you to crack, or it is very easy for you to get a good rank in GPAT, but it is very easy to not do anything. So that is the reason maybe a lot of students feel GPAT difficult. But I say this is because of your age only. Students are not bad here, everyone is good, but because of our age, enjoying movies and enjoying social media and everything we feel easy. But after completion of our B.Pharmacy, everyone, I seen out of 100, 99% people realize that we did mistake here. So that is the reason they again started reading for GPAT again. Don't do that kind of things. GPAT is very easy when you have consistency, studying every day 1 hour per day. So if you are the person who study every day, automatically GPAT is very easy. GPAT is not a difficult. Why we feel difficult means because of these things like studying every day. In this age we feel these are difficult things, and at the same time anything we feel difficult it gives good result in your future, and anything we feel easy that will give very negative result in future. That means anything today you may feel difficult to read for a GPAT exam, today you may feel difficult to read some exams, but it will give very good result in your future by giving the job and giving the salary and everything. But anything you feel easy to do, so that means sleeping is very easy to do, and at the same time watching movies is very easy to do, but these movies may not give you a job, but until unless you are very talented and you are filming the movies, then only you get the jobs. So maximum people I am talking about, anything that is easy to do will not give any result in your future. And another thing, last but not least, roots of education are better but fruits are very sweeter. So that is the thing I want to tell. So you may feel GPAT is difficult because the things what you are doing to achieve GPAT, that are the things we feel difficult in this age, but if you do this thing right now, you are enjoy until your lifetime. So I hope you understand. Thank